Greetings, travelers, and welcome to the grand opening ceremony of LEGO Galaxy, home of the all-new Galactic Coaster here at Legoland California Resort. My name is Haley Clips, well-known reporter for covering the most orbital occasions and solar stories throughout the LEGO Galaxy. Today, we will be counting down to the ceremonial launch of the very first spacecraft from Spaceport 886 into the LEGO Galaxy. Any minute now, explorer Captain Nova Orion will be here to deliver the ceremonial blast-off button that will power up the spacecraft and send it soaring. But while we wait for Nova, let me introduce you to some very special guests. First, give a celestial cheer for Legoland California Resort Park President and today's honorary launch director, Kurt Stocks.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Legoland California Resort. Today is a very, very special day for the team here at California. After 3 years building, testing, and dreaming, we are really proud today to officially open LEGO Galaxy. What's more, LEGO Galaxy is the home of our newest and most thrilling attraction yet, Galactic Coaster. So LEGO Galaxy has been built with families in mind. Every detail has been designed to create a place where kids can explore, where they can laugh, where they can experience theme park firsts and moments of wow. And we're really proud of what the team have done. And specifically with that team, I want to acknowledge the Legoland California team, our Merlin Magic Makers who have basically brought to life everything that you see in front of you, our operating teams, our marketeers, our technical teams, our master model builders, everybody across the resort. The passion that they have put into this project will be on show for everybody to see, and I'm really proud that everyone's going to get a chance to see why this team are world class. And finally, I want to thank all the families that continue to visit us year after year. You are the reason that we are inspired to continue to innovate, continue to grow, and continue to develop amazing attractions like this. So thank you for coming out. We hope you have an amazing day. Thank you.
It certainly takes a universe of dedicated individuals to bring something this astronomical to life. Now, it is my pride and honor to welcome our next individual. Please give a celestial cheer for COO of Merlin Entertainments and expert on extraterrestrial expansion, Rob Smith.
Good morning. Thank you, Kurt, and congratulations to the entire team here at Legoland California. Moments like this represent something much bigger than a simple attraction. With the opening of LEGO Galaxy, Merlin Entertainment continues to deliver world-class, play-driven experience that brings families together. Galactic Coaster reflects how we're evolving Legoland resorts globally, combining immersive theming, cutting-edge ride systems, and the unmistakable creativity of the LEGO brand. This partnership between Merlin and the LEGO Group allows us to think bigger, invest ambitiously, and create environments where families come together. We're focused on building destinations that families can escape to and return again and again. LEGO Galaxy is a powerful example of that strategy in action. To the teams across Merlin Magic Making, design, development and delivery, thank you for bringing this vision to life. And to our young Galaxy Explorers, today you remind us that the future is built brick by brick. We're very, very proud of this launch and this next chapter. We'll work on this and go together. Thank you.
Wow, thank you, Rob. We certainly are ecstatic to inspire this next generation of young explorers. Now, with all of that being said... What?
Incoming transmission from Nova.
Nova? Is everything okay?
Spaceport, we have a problem.
Uh-oh.
We were completing the build in the engineering bay when the anti-gravity chamber went haywire and the blast-off button, blasted off into the Lego Galaxy.
What?
We're searching for it now, but I'd suggest you come up with a backup plan.
Oh, no! Oh, it looks like we need some intergalactic ideas. Calling all space travelers with intergalactic ideas. Please report to Spaceport 886 with your intergalactic ideas. And fast! Great. Okay. All right. We can talk about it now. Everyone, hello? Anyone? Can you all hear me? Yeah. Oh, you can help me. Okay, I'm just kidding. All right. Hey, look! A meteor shower! Oh, it flew by super fast. Oh, but now that you're here, our ceremonial blast-off button might not make it to the ceremony in time. So we need some intergalactic ideas, a backup plan to power up the spacecraft. So let's hear those intergalactic ideas.
Ooh, I've got one!
Oh, space creature, that's great. Let's hear it.
Step 1, collect 886 laser blasters.
Oh, that's a lot.
Step 2, test the laser blasters, like this. Then, Step 3, aim the laser blasters at the base plate of the spacecraft.
Great.
Step 4, and up it goes.
Wow, that is certainly a thrilling idea, space creature. But are you sure that we should point the lasers at the spacecraft?
Only one way to find out. Ha-ha!
I have a stellar suggestion. Can I go next?
Alien dancer, of course.
We could launch the spacecraft by using the power of dance.
Dance?
Come on, everyone.
Well, that sounds
Let's get
fun.
cool out of this world.
Click with your spaceship. Make your own moves, do it brick by brick. Moving like a rocket for power. Charged up like a meteor shower. Checking in mission command. Probable destruction isn't in the plan. Reach for the stars, let me see your hand. Hit a dance party when the spacecraft lands.
And do the spaceport shuffle.
Oh, wow, that was an out-of-this-world idea, but are you sure we all have to dance like that? Nova, did you find the button?
Not yet, and it seems like you could use a hand out there.
Yes.
I know just who can help. I'm sending you the most experienced explorers in the Lego Galaxy. The Junior Galaxy Explorers!
Junior Galaxy Explorers, we have heard all about you throughout the Lego Galaxy, impressing our master model builders with your space-inspired creations. You all truly represent the power of imagination, creativity, and hands-on fun. Let's hear it for them! All right, my friends, now that you are here, your next mission is to help us out. Our blast-off button is stuck in the Lego Galaxy, and we need a new way to power it up. Can you help us? Yes! That's it! You're galactic geniuses! We can use the power of creativity to build a brand new blast-off button of our very own. It's exactly what Lego has taught us.
Some cosmic creativity.
And with rocket-like speed.
It's perfect and fantastic, built with imagination and creativity. It's exactly how Legoland launches into the future. Now, with all of that being said, it's almost time. Are you all ready?
Yeah.
Command Center, how is it looking in there?
All
bricks have glazed the place.
I hope the studs shine like a shooting star.
Studs and tiles have been shined to perfection.
Don't forget the laser blasters!
Laser blaster testing complete.
Woohoo!
We're go for lunch.
All right, everyone, help us out. We're going to count down from 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you all so much for joining us here for our LEGO Galaxy Open. That's one small step for minifigures and one giant leap for all brick kind. LEGO Galaxy is officially open and the